A luxurious pasta sauce made with pumpkin? Oh yes, savory, creamy, and delicious. Let's make it. Now the first thing we want to do is bring a pot of water to a boil and cook our pasta according to the package directions. Now we're going to reserve 1 cup of this pasta water, drain the pasta, and set aside. Now we begin with the sauce. In a large pan, we're going to heat up some olive oil over medium-high heat. We're gonna add the garlic and saute it for about 30 seconds until it's fragrant and you can smell it. To the pan, we're going to add the pumpkin puree and half of the reserved pasta water. We're gonna mix it to combine until a smooth, thick sauce forms. Let's continue to make the sauce and give it that flavor that we're gonna love by adding the half and half, some milk, nutmeg, and salt, and we're gonna mix it to combine. We're gonna reduce the heat to low and stir until the sauce comes to a simmer. And so we're gonna continue cooking it for about 5 minutes. And after that, you're gonna see that the sauce is now really thick and smooth. And at that point, we can add some grated Parmesan cheese and combine it until it's dissolved. Let's add the cooked pasta back into the pan and toss it to combine. The sauce is pretty thick as is, so we're gonna add a little bit more pasta water to thin it out. Check out how it's coming together. It looks delicious, it's so good, and for the recipe, make sure you check the description box below, and if you love pumpkin recipes, check out this amazing video next. See you guys soon.